How to change color in PhotoRoom. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are using PhotoRoom and want to change the color of an object, background or part of your photo, here is how you can do it. First of all, open up the PhotoRoom application on your device and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're signed into your PhotoRoom account, go ahead and tap on the AI Tools option from the bottom and then click on this More button to expand the option. Look for the Recolor option and tap on it. Now select a photo from your camera roll that you want to recolor. You can now describe the color you want. You can go ahead and type in whether you'd like to apply the color to the product or the entire item. Now go to the color palette at the bottom, choose the color and click on this button at the bottom. Once you are done choosing the color, click on the arrow at the bottom right. Now in order to change the color or recolor, you'll need to be a premium subscriber for PhotoRoom. If you are, you will be able to change your subject's color in PhotoRoom. So that's how you do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.